Nakita ninyo yun? Oh my God, nakakadiri talaga guys. Kumain siya ng hilaw. Ang laki kasi. Uso ngayon guys. Guys, uso ngayon yung damit na paano guys.
Everything tastes different.
Yeah.
Food tastes different. Drinks taste different. Cigarettes taste different. Toothpaste tastes different. Everything tastes different. Good morning, Philippines!
Ilahon pa to ni mo day. Hi guys, good morning! Good morning! Today is Monday. So, andito si Tami pero late na mamaya ito. Itong sports bra ko, baka loka naman ikaw. Naglalagay lang ako kanina guys while kausap ko yung sister ko. Kinausap ko yung sister ko. Sabi ko, Day, mag-YouTube ka na rin, Day. Mahilig kasi yun magluto. So, magluto ka, magkain-kain ka. Para sabi niya, ate, uy, walang internet. Sabi ko, magpataod ka. So, yun. So, wala daw siyang internet. Sabi ko, paano ka ng PLDT, guys? Let me know, guys, kung magkano ba yung PLDT, guys. Yung internet lang talaga siya. Walang cable, walang telephone. Internet lang talaga. Internet lang talaga siya. Pwede ba yun, guys? Maano ba yung signal? Hindi ba yung loko-loko yung PLDT? Kasi marami akong nakikita ang PLDT. Maraming problema sa PLDT, diba? Nagka-problema dahil hindi nila ulang yung signal hindi masyado basta pero let me know guys magkaano yung yung pwedeng mag-load, pwedeng mag-upload. Monthly guys ha, monthly, hindi yung reload. I don't know kung mag-reload ba yun yung reload, magpa-load ka na naman. Yung parang ando na talaga yung internet and then magbayad ka na lang monthly. At saka pwede sa mag-upload ng video. So yun lang, mag-upload at saka download. Na kayang-kaya yung download at upload. Hindi lang yung pang internet na pang Facebook, yung talagang video na pang download, kaya ng PLDT. So yun guys, sulit mino guys, kasi sinabihan ko yung sister ko, mag-YouTube ka na rin, Day, magluto-luto ka. Sabi niya, ate, walang laptop. Sabi, pwede man yung cellphone guys, kung pwede ka talaga, mayroong mga editor sa cellphone. Kaso, yung cellphone ng sister ko is karaan. So, sabi ko, sige na, turuan na lang kita kapag makapunta na ako dun. And anyway, so Tami is mamaya, andito si Tami mamaya. Ngayon, nag-ano lang ako, nanonood ako ng vlog. Hindi ko alam kung ano yung imumukbang ko. But, time check, it is 8:58 na ng umaga. Nagbihis ako guys, kasi pupunta ako Walmart. I'm going to announce today, so yung winner sa load. So yung foundation na ginamit ko is yung Wet n Wild na Photo Focus Medium Dark. So yun siya. Ang ganda talaga ng foundation. Parang natural lang talaga siya. Hi! Is Misty eat breakfast? Did you eat your breakfast, Misty Calls? I know Roxy did. This coming summer, ang gagawin ko is I have to take care of my yard sa garden. Let's go, sago. Ito yung sinuot ko, guys. Kasi maginaw kasi Paano ba to ano? Dala ako ng candy. Konti na lang. Mahilig. Ito yung candy na gustong-gusto ko, guys. Anong pangalan nitong hirap ng basahin, oy? Werther's. Werther's Original. I think that's how you do it. Werther's. Okay pa naman yung gas. Guys, ang ginaw guys. Ano guys, 38 degree temperature daw sa loob ng sasakyan. Sa galabas. Mag-i-snow daw mamaya, sabi ni Tami. So, tignan natin. Palagi na lang nag-i-snow every time na andito si Tami. Snow, ang kaluka naman yung namin, yung binili namin na snow thrower. Sira. Na flat yung at saka hindi gumagana. Iwan ko guys, parang useless yun guys. Ibinta na lang namin yun guys kasi useless. Uy, maghanap din pala ako ng tawag nito, yung tripod guys. Sira na kasi yung ko, yung tripod nasisira na. Juby pa naman yun. So yan, sana meron silang mura dito na tripod. Daming TV, tripod. Ang laki kasi. Hindi sobrang malaki ba? Yun yung ko. Wala mo silang maliit. Ay. Tapos, finally. Hi guys, I am home. Pasensya na, makikita nyo itong mga whatever. Milk. Milk kasi si Tami mahilig mag-drink ng milk. Creamer kasi wala ng creamer. And ito yung candy na paborito ko. Ito siya guys. Oh. Dalawang klase. Ito siya. At saka ito. Ito siya yung cocoa cream. At ito naman is soft caramels. Bumili ako ng okra para sa ating mukbang. And asparagus, dalawang hikot. Cat food. Kakaiba itong mga cat food. Iba-iba ito eh. Iba-ibang klase. Ito siya. Iba salad for my baby Tami. Ito siya yung gusto sana ni Tami. Premium romaine salad. Mix siya. Kaso ito lang yung parang sobrang okay yung sa loob niya. And ito din, yung spring mix. Ayaw ni Tami mga gamit ito. Pero nindot, okay man ito i-mix dalawa. Porcelain na dish. Guys, na ano, yun. Yung pasta na binili ko is yung linguine. Kasi ito yung lulutuin ko tonight. Pasta with a lot of garlic. Meron tayong corn, gulay. Corn. And ito, para din bukas, roasted garlic. Mashed potato. Ito garlic kasi ang sarap nito. Bumili ako ng Corel na plato puti. Proven and tested na ito sa biyanan ko guys. Meron silang Corel. Yung ginagamit doon sa isang bahay. Corel siya. Hindi siya mabibiak. Ito yung ginagamit ng biyanan ko na plato. Tatlo yung binili ko pero dagdagan ko na lang siya kapag may pera. Tag-isa nito is $3 something. Tag-isa. I love you. I love you. Come here. Hi, Mitch. I love you, Mitch. I love you, Mitch. Hello. I love you, baby. No licking. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. My mama, daddy. What is it? I-marinate ko lang ito siya, guys. Itong tawag nito ay beef prime rib. I-ano ko lang siya, i-marinate. Hindi ko naman siya talagang i-marinate ng suka. Ano lang siya ba? Inudnuran ko lang siya. Uy guys, nakikita ninyo yung sa ano guys? Yung babae na kumakain siya ng hilaw na steak. Nakikita ninyo yun? Oh my God, nakakadiri talaga guys. Kumain siya ng hilaw na steak. As in, kumain talaga siya. Nakikita ko lang yun sa Facebook guys. Iwawash ko siya guys ng very cold water. Huwag yung mainit. You cannot have it. Lutuin natin to. Gusto ko talagang lutong-luto. Pero usually Tami, ayaw niya yung mga luto-luto. Talaga yung grabe ka luto. Gusto ni Tami yung may pagka medium rare. Yun yung gusto ng family dito. Ako, gusto ko yung patay na siya, papatayin pa 5 bisis. Yun yung gusto kong meat. Yung patay na siya, pero gusto kong patayin pa rin 5 bisis. Ganyan, ako ka brutal. And Valentine's na. Happy belated Valentine's everyone. Belated I think. Kasi late na itong vlog. Happy Valentine's belated. Anong ginagawa nyo guys? Hindi kami ano sa Valentine's. Wala kaming kaano-ano sa Valentine's. Paminsan si Tami noon, magbigay yan si Tami ng mga Valentine's, magbigay yan ng jewelry. Noon, matagal na yun. Hindi na ngayon. Iba na ngayon guys. Alam nyo guys, kasi lagyan talaga siya na i-season talaga ito ng mabuti dahil makapal siya, hindi siya, yung manipis lang, depende man yan sa kung gaano kanipis at kakapal yung meat. So yun, kung yung meat is, yung niluluto nyo is manipis lang na meat, Yung seasoning, of course, iba. Maliit lang, konti. Ito, kasi makapal, dapat talaga lagyan ng madami-dami. Or madamo-damo. Madamo-damo na madami-dami. Hi guys! Ano na guys? Uso ngayon guys. Guys, uso ngayon yung damit na paano guys. Parang ganun. Nauso yung damit na ganun. Bakit kaya yung ano, mag-ano na lang sila? Mag-ano ba? Yung wala nang ganito, ganun na lang. Natawa ako sa ganun. Ay, mahirap. Natawa lang ako guys. Oh, ito na guys. Yung beefy illigate tree. Yun. Ay, papunta na pala si Tami dito guys. 2 bone lang pala ito. Akala ko 3. 2 lang pala. Hindi madapuan ng mga kahit anik-anik. Ayan. Ito yung gusto ko guys, yung mga dapat may mga yung seed, ano ba, yung mga ganito na container. Lagyan ng mga kahit anik-anik. Gustong-gusto ko to. Dada will be here and he called me and he said, I'm coming. And he told me he is coming here, but he says you have to wait. Hi, Rox. Hi, Mitch. Hala, may ibon na nakapasok. Hala, guys, may ibon nakapasok, guys. Hala, nakapasok yung ibon. Hala, nakapasok yung ibon. Kawawa. Gustong lumabas. Kapatid ata niya yun, oh, kapatid niya. Kapatid. Nag-alala yan, ay. Yan, nag-alala yan sila, guys. Nag-alala yun. Come here, go. Okay, good. Finally, nakalabas. Si Tami na yung maglagay ng ano dyan. Nakalimutan ko na naman yung rice. Uy, may nabili din pala ako, guys. Ipakita ko sa inyo nga. Ito siya, guys. Mataas lang siya sa akin. Pero, putulan ko lang kasi. Di ba, oh? Mataas siya, guys. Yun yung problema talaga dito. Mataas. Ito yung isa, black. Black. So, maganda yung ano niya dito. Sa area dito. Ang syrup. Yun ang syrup. Ang daming oil na ano, oh. Maganda talaga dito yung baboy, guys. Yung pork belly, ilagay mo dito. Parang lechon talaga. Ayan. Shoot time. Kung may magtatanong ulit, shoot time, rotisserie, and BBQ. BBQ. Ron ko, guys. Hindi ko. Ron ko, guys. R-O-N-C-O. Who is here? Who's here? Is Dada here? Hello? Hi, baby. Tamimoy. Han. We need haircut, guys. The 2 of us. Tammy and I need haircut. Oh, look at the hair already, huh?
He says, I want to be on the camera.
Look at what you did, Hubs, to Dada, Hubs. Hala, guys, ang ganda nito, guys. Oh, ito siya ba? Nabili namin ito sa ano, yung nagbumili kami ng coat sa Burlington. Nabili namin to sa Burlington. Ang ganda, guys. May 3 ano siya klase. Nalubat yung battery ko. So, kailangan nating kumuha ng isang battery. Okay naman siya. So, tomorrow, mag-marinate man ito overnight. So, it's gonna be tasty tomorrow. And, hindi ko na din ito lutuin. Sabi ko kay Tami, mag-rice na lang kami. So, bukas na lang. Do you love my, cucumber?
Yeah.
Somebody want something?
I wonder why.
And the bone. Cut this, I wanna try it, that part. That's too big. mukbang, guys. And for now, isend natin yung pera kay sis Margs. Okay, sis. Pasensya na, sis, kapag nalilate. Kasi naano ako. Natawag nito. Napagod. Kasi nagluluto ako the whole day. And, not the whole day, guys, eh. Nagluluto ako after grocery, diba? Nag-start akong, nag-cut ng mga anik-anik. Hi, baby. Where's Dada? Where's your Dada? Where is Dada? Where's Dada? What are you doing? Huh? What are you doing? Huh? Hi guys, so Tammy is going to tell you who win the load thing. So I have 5 people here. Sit down.
Okay, guys. So the actual winner has been picked and done. These are people who are getting a load for their cell phones in the Philippines, I'm guessing. Fuck, I take those off. Roseanne Burnaby?
Yeah, Roseanne Burnaby.
Roseanne Burnaby.
That's from Facebook, guys.
Okay. Nita Suarez. Yoli Torres.
Yeah.
Kalyana.
Yeah.
Okay. Kalyana.
Rashu. Yeah.
And Arnosa Roslin.
Yeah. So those are the load, guys. Ang gagawin lang ninyo, guys, what you have to do is just okay, thank you guys so much. So Roseanne is from Facebook, and Anita is from Facebook, and Arnosa is from Facebook, and Yoli and Kalyana is from YouTube. Thank you guys so much, guys.
I was sick for 2 weeks, so I missed everything else that happened apparently.
Yeah, so a lot of people, anyway, all of you guys, thank you guys so much for telling to send Tammy get well soon a message. A lot of people said get well soon.
I appreciate the well wishes.
Yeah, and because it's not good to be sick.
Yeah, I got some kind of viral infection in my body.
So what do you feel now?
I still feel it, just like.
You still feel it?
Yeah.
Can you say, because I
like
said virus and I don't know, I don't
before.
explain it really good. I don't know what kind of virus is that.
I don't know what kind of virus it is. All I know is within like a 5-minute time frame, felt like I got run over by a train.
Yeah.
Dizzy, nauseous, vomiting. Felt like my guts were ripped apart with garden tools. No desire to eat, no desire to smoke, no desire to drink, nothing for a week and a half. Not even a cracker, nothing, just
nothing, guys.
Dizzy, headachy, nauseous, spinning all the time. No, even when I know where I am and I'm going to work, I felt like I didn't know where I was, even though I take the same routes every day. I felt like I'm not there.
Even he's not feeling good, he's dizzy, he's throwing up, he's going to work. But he really just called somebody that he cannot go to work for 3 days. 2 days, actually one day, right? And then he just told you to just stay home, because he knows.
I called for 1 day, he told me to take 3 days.
Gustami never stopped working for sickness. But he is miserable. You really are miserable, hon.
Yeah.
It's just...
It's still not quite right. A lot better than I was 2 weeks ago.
Yeah. I even forgot that he stopped smoking for weeks already. He doesn't feel like smoking, right? For some reason, you don't wanna...
Everything tastes different.
Yeah.
Food tastes different. Drinks taste different. Cigarettes taste different. Toothpaste tastes different. Everything tastes different. Everything's
That's
weird.
so weird.
And smells make you nauseous.
Yeah, he's told me that just like hand soap.
Just make you nauseous.
And I never see him that really miserable, like crazy miserable. I feel bad because the snow over here was like crazy. I can't even go visit him over there and cook something. But he doesn't really want to eat. I cook something over there, he just tastes a little bit, that's it.
No, but I still have to cook to keep.
Huh?
I still have to cook to keep her eating.
I know. Thank you guys for Get Wilson Tummy Tummy Tam Tums.
Thanks, guys.
Okay, you guys, sa winner, guys. Ilagay ko yung pangalan doon sa kananalo sa load natin. please contact me sa Facebook and give me your number. Yun lang. And make sure na ikaw talaga yung profile picture nyo. Please send me that ikaw yun yung padalhan ko ng load. Kasi hindi natin alam kung sino yung padalhan ko ng load, di ba? So, send me the profile picture of your YouTube and sa Facebook din. So, yun lang. Thank you guys. Bye! Okay guys, I'm going to end this vlog because I'm gonna watch movie with Kami. Bye guys. Good night. Good night guys.